Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi 11T Pro, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. So to get started, you want to pull down your toggles from the right side. Make sure you pull specifically from the right side. If you do it from left, you will get notifications instead. So there we go. Once you see your toggles, simply look for the hotspot toggle, which for me is right over here on the bottom. So once you find it, hold it. This will quickly take you to the settings where you will be able to customize it. So right here you have set up portable hotspot, click on it, and I'll recommend you to start off with the password, because as you can see, the password that is set by default, it is some atrocious randomly generated one. So just click on it once again, there we go, and remove this one and set our own. As you can see, once you remove it, it gives you this message that it needs to have at least 8 characters. That can be letters, numbers, whatever you want, as long as it's 8 characters in length. There we go. Additionally, you can also change the name, SSID, which is the name of the hotspot that we'll create, and default wise it is always going to be the name of the device on every device the same way. So in this case, as you can see, it is Xiaomi 11T Pro. Then below that we have a couple additional options. We have security, keep it as it is. Then we have AP band. This really depends on what device you will be using to connect. If you're using a relatively newer device to connect to this hotspot, you can probably change it to 5 GHz, which will be a faster and more stable connection. And if you're not sure, you can also enable it. And if the device that you're connecting or trying to connect with simply doesn't see your hotspot that this phone will create, so you'll be looking in Wi-Fi list for this name. If you just simply don't see it, that means that that device does not support 5 GHz. And all you need to do is drop it back to 2.4, which in this case it is used by literally every device that has any kind of Wi-Fi connectivity. And lastly, we have hide SSID, which hides your network from the list of accessible networks. So to connect to it, you'll need to basically provide the name and the password all at once and correctly. Anyway, from here we just need to tap on the check mark to save our settings, and we're basically good to go. There's last little thing that I will mention right here. So we have turn off hotspot automatically and one-time data limit, which allows you to basically set a limiter to how much data can be used by the hotspot, and this will basically turn it off once you're done with it. I highly recommend using this one. So from here, once it's all set, all you need to do is find the toggle, tap on it, and it is now enabled and you can connect to your hotspot. And like I mentioned, once you're done with it, you can either just stop using it and after like 5 or 10 minutes it will turn it off automatically, or you can do it yourself by tapping on the toggle once again. So that is how you would set it up and use it. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.